lang yan. Hindi ko na ito mauulit. Ito po, kininam. Udot. Kasi,
sorry, mga 80%, 90% na lang.
hindi ko ako.
Repeat mo lang.
Pagod ako na. Ay, sorry. I love you too so much! Did you like it? Did you guys like it? Don't you love it? Tita Cory, yun dahilan ko ba't po ako umabsent ng 1 week. 3 times ko pong pinanood yung Lady Gaga sa Singapore para aralin. Just for this night. Ayan. Thank you so much, Lady Gaga, for your inspiration, for the love that you have been sending out to all of us, most especially to all the members of the LGBTQIA+ community. Si Lady Gaga yung perfect example that you are born to be a masterpiece and a mess at the same time. You can be a masterpiece and a mess at the same time. All of us have the right to be beautiful and also be chaotic. Hindi nyo naiintindihan. Diba? We can be beautiful and at the same time be chaotic. We can be spectacular and amazing, but at the same time messy. It's okay. Because nobody's born to be perfect. It's not possible. Perfection is just an expectation, but it's not reality. So thank you very much, Lady Gaga, for the inspiration. And I would like to say thank you very much to all the Madlang people. Sincerely, from the bottom of my heart, thank you very much, Madlang people, because you are accepting me to be myself. You don't always agree with everything that I say and I do. But you still accept and love me. With all my strengths and my weaknesses, you choose to still love me. So I am very thankful to all of you for allowing me to be myself, for not changing me to be who you want me to be. You just allow me to be myself. You celebrate with me. You call me out when you feel like I'm overboard, and it's okay. We have a wonderful relationship. And that's why I would like to share with you another Lady Gaga song. This song is very significant to me because this song is about love. A love that chooses to stay despite the imperfections. The love that chooses to cling and hold and stay even if not everything is still sweet and perfect and fun. Pag pinapakinggan ko ito, naiisip ko yung relationship namin ni Ayon. Ito yung song talaga na nagsasabi na kahit hindi araw-araw masaya, okay lang yan. Pero kahit hindi, sa mga araw na hindi tayo masyadong masaya, pinipili pa rin natin ang isa't isa. Kahit feeling natin nasa dulo na tayo, pinipili natin ang isa't isa. Laging si Ayon ang naisip ko, pero nung huli kong sinound trip to, naisip ko, ay, ganito din yung relationship ko with ABS-CBN. When all the not so beautiful things happen to the company, to ABS-CBN, parang ang hirap, di ba? Ito yung test ng gaano kalalim ang pagmamahal natin sa isa't isa. Di ba? Na-prove at na-test yung love natin, how deep our love for each other is. Parang sa ngayon, choosing to still be in ABS causes me a lot of hurts, pains, and sacrifices. But those are very meaningful hurts and pains and sacrifices. Kaya, to ABS-CBN, even we feel like we are both on the edge of our glory, I promise to hold on to you. Kahit naman ako sa edad kong to, tsaka sa tagal na ng showtime, feeling parang kawaliin na kami. Parang kailan pa ba to? Parang kawala na. Parang feeling ko everyday, nasa edge na ako ng glory ko. Pero God is so good na parang, di pa, just wake up, just show up, just do it. At kaya sa madlang people, kahit nasa edge na ako ng glory ko, maraming salamat dahil pinaparamdam sa akin na you still choose to hold on to me and stay with me on the edge of my glory. So this song is for all of you.
Sa madlang people! 1, 2, 3! What's up, madlang people?
Thank you guys! Maraming salamat sa pagpunta nyo sa conference ng Street Boys! Thank you po! Thank you, Araneta!
Concert namin to.
Yun lang ginawa nyo, kang ang tigas na ng legs ko. This concert nyo to, haba ng front act nyo, 3 hours.
Madali lang. Ang usapan natin, gagawin natin tong Street Boys 90s, sasayaw kayo.
Oo.
Ano nangyari pag kumanta lang kayo?
Yung sapatos ko. Nalaglaw. Kala ko sapatos yung naging putrag. Alam mo yung pagpapasok ka sa public school, yung meron kang ginaganon dito.
Oh, eh
No
kasi,
wali.
kasi ano hinatak ng mga, ano ba yun? Aliman ba yun?
Ano aliman?
Mga anito?
Oo. Hinatak ng mga katutubo ng mga... pero buti na nakasurvive. Buti na lang. Taray ng boots ko, no?
Taray.
Pang majorette.
Kasi naman ang dami-dami mo sinusuot sa katawan mo. Ang alam ko, kalabaw lang yung may hatak-hatak na maraming nilalagay na ganun. Kabayo rin pala.
Oh,
Wow! Porkit superhero ka.
oo nga.
Ay, nakatali sa likod. Hindi ako nagwagi. Pero maraming salamat. Palakpakan po natin, ladies and gentlemen, madlang people, the Street Boys! Thank you very much, John and Pong.
Thank you so
See you guys
much,
again tomorrow.
guys.
Iguna shoes ko bukas makakadansa ko, promise. Oo.
Wag niyo na akong ganunan kasi naiiba yung...
Kaya pala ako dinala ni Bong doon, tsaka ni Jong, susuluhin ka nila.
Natakot ako.
Ha?
Kumaka...
Kakatukin mo lang yan, baka gumagawa lang ng yelo.
Yan.
Ayan.
Thank you so much to our major sponsors. Huawei, Puro 80 series, the king of smartphone photography.
And thank you also very much to the Med Club, Dog RFD, thank you very much, happy birthday. And thank you also to Sante Barley. Kasi yung mga representante ng Sante Barley, magingay! Perfect, I love you guys, maraming salamat.
You know, this night wouldn't have been possible without all of you here tonight. So we just wanted to say thank you for being here. We know that, alam mo, mahirap ang buhay sa ngayon, but you guys are still here. Mahal ng ticket nila.
Yes, pero nilaan nila sa atin.
Nilaan nila sa atin. Nag-ipon sila. Maraming salamat, especially yung mga nandun sa taas. Thank you so much, guys! At yung mga nandito. Sumigaw naman kayo.
Tingnan mo, ang dami pa din nila.
Ang dami pa
Mahaba-haba
din.
yung show namin, pero
Hanggang bukas show.
You're still here, maraming salamat.
Thank you very much.
Sen Grace, maraming salamat po. Tita Cory, maraming
Tita
salamat.
Cory, oo.
Sa nanay ko, maraming salamat dahil
Uy, sa nanay
nagsistay
ko
sila.
rin. Nandyan nanay ko.
Mother!
Hi, Mommy. And of course, to my husband and my son, Nate, they're here.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat sa patuloy ninyong pagsuporta sa OPM concerts.
Yes.
Marami pa pong padating ng mga concert at sana po ay inyo rin pong suportahan.
Sa linggo may concert dito ang PBB.
PBB.
Tapos si Clarice
Si
magkaka-concert
Clarice,
din.
oo. Si Morissette.
Si Morrison
meron din.
magkaka-concert din.
Tapos yung asawa ko.
Next may El Shaddai yata.
May El Shaddai naman. Yung asawa ko magko-concert din. Kasama ni Odette Can. Ay!
Kasada. Odette ka. Magpe-perform pa si Odette ka.
Sorry!
At saka character actress yun. Ikaw din. Kahit si Odette ka magugulat, sabi na, ay, may gig pala ako. Hindi ka nagsasabi.
Odette Quezada! Q&A!
Odette ka. Tatarayan siya ni Odette ka. Ano? Kaya maraming salamat sa pamilya namin, sa Showtime family, sa nanay ko, kay Ayon, sa pamilya ni Ayon na nandito, sa mga kapatid ko, sa mga kaibigan kong matatalik na nandito, sa mga
Yes.
anak-anakan ko, maraming salamat. Kila Shuvi, kila Ashley, kila Mac, kila Anthony, si Jari, nandito din, si Stel, anak, maraming salamat. Si MC, si Lassie, ang mga bakla sa Vice Comedy Club, I love you guys. Si Sweet, Manang Sweet, nandiyan si Sweet, maraming salamat sa inyo.
Si Sweet nandito?
Yes.
Bakla!
At sa inyong lahat, marami pong salamat.
Maraming salamat.
Sa pagmamahal ninyo sa amin, we have
Yes.
truly found our ever after.
Try!
Oh, may tugtog po to eh.